In this video we will have a look at how to use Joomla multi-language overrides for the GDPR component. All user-generated text managed through the component settings and fields can be replaced with newly created language string constants. When using multi-language, the only difference will be to specify a language constant in a certain field instead of the actual text. Let's say we want to configure a multi-language override for the text of the Allow button. Just set a random language constant in the related configuration field. You are free to choose whatever language constant you want to be used. It's only required that it will match the one created in the Joomla overrides. You are not constrained to specify an existing language constant, nor you need to looking for a language constant inside a language file. Once done this, the constant string will be shown in front-end instead of the actual text for all the language of the website. Now it's time to create the matching language override to replace dynamically the constant string with the actual text based on the language chosen by the user in front-end. To do this, open the Joomla Language Overrides panel and click the New button. Copy and paste the language constant just created and insert the text for the chosen language. Pay attention to the filter field on the left that allows you to choose the language assigned to the override. It must be always a site-named language in order to work in the front end. Do the same operation for all remaining languages to cover all possible user choices. Once you have finished and specified overrides for all installed languages, go to the front end and switch the language to test if the text is correctly translated. Done. The text of the button is correctly translated in all languages. You are not limited to translate text. Even links can be translated exactly in the same way. As usual, choose and write down a language constant of your choice, for example for the link used to open the privacy policy page. The only difference is that you have to specify the desired link to be translated instead of the text. Once again, repeat the operation for all installed languages to cover all possible cases with this specific link. Now you can check in front-end if all links are correctly translated based on the language chosen. You are done. Do the same for every part of the banner that you need to translate. You can apply language constants even to fields with an editor. In this case, you can even include any HTML code in the text field of the language override. You will get the result accordingly in the front end.